Hello, welcome back. In this segment, I will quickly show you the solution of a linear Diophantine equation implementation. Okay. Um, the program takes three arguments, A, B, C. The goal is to find x and y such that a times x plus b times y equal to c. We talked about it earlier, how to find a solution to such an equation. Okay, and I also mentioned in the previous segment there are multiple solutions to this equation. So the way I programmed it here is that it will return only one solution, but you can easily add multiple solutions if you know how many solutions you wanted to have. Okay. If you know one solution, you can easily generate all other solutions. Okay, that's something we talked about also in the previous segment. So let's get into the implementation now. We are given a and b. So the first step is to solve a times x plus b times y equal to d equation. What is d? D is GCD of a and b. So that's what we are doing here. We talked about the GCD algorithm and extended GCD algorithm in the previous segments. So the extended GCD algorithm takes two arguments a and b. It returns the GCD of a and b. It also returns the coefficients x and y, or the values to the variables x and y. Coefficients are a and b. Okay, so x and y D are the things that this magic extended equilibrium algorithm will find for us. Okay, we talked about how it works. It's a very nice algorithm. All right, so we now have solved a times x plus b times y equal to d, but that's not the question. The question is to solve a times x plus b times y equal to c. Okay, that means we need to get rid of d. So all we have to do is multiply both sides by c by d, right? Then d and d will cancel out. So we will have c on the right hand side. That means I'm just computing c by d. In Python's 2/ means integer division. Okay, so you get your quotient. You multiply your solution x by the quotient and y by the quotient, meaning you're simulating as if you're multiplying this equation both sides by c by d. Okay, then this equation is solved, because on the right hand side you will get a c. All right, that's basically it. So you get one solution, and if you want multiple solutions, I explained how to extend this easily to multiple solutions, and this is how I called in the previous segment. So you pass in your a and the b and the c, and this is going to give you solutions. The first argument is the GCD, and the next argument is your x and y. Okay, that's basically the main part of this demo. Okay, so you need an extended equilibrium algorithm or any other equilibrium algorithm equivalent that will give you x and y and d for a given a and b. Okay? And then all you have to do is multiply both sides by c by d. On the video, we did that exactly the same way in the previous segment. That's the reason I'm multiplying the answer by the quotient. Okay, x gets x times q, y times q, because we are multiplying both sides by c by d to balance this equation, so that the end goal is to solve a times x plus b times y equal to c. Okay, that's basically it. Thank you.